In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the radiator fan cooling blade on this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the radiator. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove this cover. I'm just going to use a trim tool, pull these push pins out. Just grab the cover and it slides right off. Disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Just push down, slide the connector off. And there's two little clips holding this on. I'll just use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop these clips out, just like that. Can separate this. We're going to take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. Take that out. Take that out. Grab the air box. And pull it up, out of the way. And remove this wire out of the retainer. Set that aside. Using a straight blade screwdriver, we'll loosen up this worm clamp. And grab that snorkel. Slide it off out of the way. I'm going to loosen up the fan clutch. We need a fan clutch removal tool. This is a 32mm. And this is reverse threads. So you're going to turn it clockwise to loosen it up. There we go. All right, that's loose. Once you get it loose, you can take the tool off. Normally loosen that up by hand. Once that's loose, all right, before I take that off completely, we're going to loosen up the shroud and disconnect this connector up top. Just push down on the tab. Now, to remove this connector, down below here, there's a little tab you need to move. Just use a small straight blade screwdriver. You can see it right here. You're just pushing that to the side, then it slides out. Now take the push pins out. I'm just going to use a side cutters. Pop these out. And same on this side. If you need to, you can push it from the back side first. Pop that center out. Fan shroud's loose. You can loosen up the fan the rest of the way. Just be careful once it gets towards the end, you don't want to drop it into the radiator. There we go, that's loose. Pull that off. And you want to pull these up together. There you go, pull that out. We're going to separate the fan from the fan clutch. Use a T30 socket. Take these screws out. There you go. Now take the fan clutch, line it up with the fan. Make sure the blades look like this. You're going to screw into this side, not where the threaded part that goes to the water pump is. Get the screws started. And tighten these down. And now we can torque these to 7 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Now take the shroud and the fan together, slide these down in place. Once we get it close, we can get the fan started. And it's reverse threads, so you're going to have to go towards the left or counterclockwise. There we go. Got it started. And before I tighten that down, just get the shroud in place. There's a couple ears at the base that need to get slid into the slots. You can see there's a couple of tabs that need to get slid into place right here, down below, and at the base of the radiator. Get those lined up. Take the wiring harness, get that lined up, lock that in place, and the connector, lock that in place. That's good. And take the push pins, push those in place. If you had a third one in the middle, you want to push that one in as well. This vehicle didn't. There you go. Push that in place. All right, now tighten up the fan. Tighten down the fan. And I'm just going to use the same remover tool that I used to tighten it down. If you have the ability to torque this, you want to torque that to 29 foot-pounds. I'm just going to give it a tap. That's tight enough. Now I'll take this intake tube, get this lined up. And push that back in place. Looks good there. Tighten down that screw. And just tighten down the worm clamp. There we go, snug that down, that's good. Now take the air box, get this lined up. Oops. Slide that in place, push down on the clips. Get the bolts started. Snug those down. And connect the connector. Lock that down. Now take this panel, get that lined up. Take the push pins, push those back, push them down, lock them in place. And you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.